Girls, we missed the McDonald's stop, but we stopped right outside Burger King. James?
Yeah.
Can you open that? Simone, open for James, please. James's strawberry milkshake.
Thank you.
James's chips. Put the chips on the tray, Simone, please. Let Jamesy eat now. You've got pizza.
I know. We tried to open the tomato sausages.
James.
Do you want tomato sauce?
How's that, James? Chicken nuggets, chips and strawberry milkshake.
Back that way.
Simone, you put those in the bin for James. So you do that, put it in the bin for James.
Yes, me.
How's your pizza, honey?
Where do I put the tomato sauce on the chips or the chicken nuggets? They're so bad. Do I put it on the chips or the chicken nuggets?
No, just put it on the side and James can dip it because he's eating with his hands.
Hey, what's it?
Oh, wow, James. Let's take a look.
Get on the button.
Nice nuggets, James.
Yeah, get on the
Good boy.
button.
It's like I don't have my second slice of pizza.
Do you want to see if we can get a bus back?
Get on the button tomorrow.
Okay, thank you, James. That's lovely. So, James, we get the tram back to the hotel.
Yeah.
So you want to say to James, tram back to the hotel,
Yeah.
and then
I need my second slice.
and then buses tomorrow, James.
Yeah.
James, are you going to you're going to play with your tablets on your YouTube when we get back, James?
What?
Simone asked James, are you watching YouTube with me later, James? Speak up, Simone.
We're watching YouTube with me later, James.
Yeah.
So how many tablets have you got, James?
Totally.
Wow!
Oh.
Another bus, James.
Only one.
Another one. Lots of buses tomorrow, James. Trams today, buses tomorrow.
Oh, Sarah.